Hi, in this video, I will be talking about the auditory pathway. To understand how this works, we first need to know some of the primary structures of the ear. So the ear is divided into three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear consists of the pinna or the auricle, which is the part on the outside of your body that you might put earrings in, and the external auditory canal, otherwise known as your ear canal. The middle ear is an air-filled cavity that is separated from the outer ear by the tympanic membrane, otherwise known as the eardrum. It has three ossicles inside of it, or bones, that sit right behind the tympanic membrane. These are called the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. The inner ear is a fluid-filled system that consists of the cochlea and the vestibular system. The vestibular system mainly consists of vestibules and semicircular canals and is responsible for balance, whereas the cochlea is more involved in the auditory functions of the ear. So how does sound travel through all of these structures and get to the brain? First, some stimulus creates a vibration that travels through a medium in the form of a wave until it reaches the pinna. The pinna amplifies the sound wave and sends it through the external auditory canal to the tympanic membrane. The tympanic membrane then vibrates, which moves the ossicular chain consisting of those three bones I talked about earlier. And those ossicles translate the sound waves from an air medium to a liquid medium and pass it on to the cochlea. The cochlea has a bunch of small cells inside of it called hair cells, which further serve to amplify the sound and translate it into an electrical signal. This electrical signal is then picked up by the vestibular cochlear nerve, or cranial nerve 8, and carried up through the brainstem until it reaches the primary auditory cortex, which is in the temporal lobe of the brain. The primary auditory cortex is where the brain decodes the information and interprets that signal as sound.